What if the secret to strong, shiny, and frizz-free hair is something your hair naturally has? Meet keratin, the powerhouse protein making waves in the hair care world. In today's video, we'll explore what keratin is, how it works, and the best ways to use it for healthier, gorgeous hair. But what exactly is keratin, and why does it have such a reputation for transforming hair? Keratin is a natural protein in our hair, skin, and nails. When your hair lacks keratin, it can become dull, dry, and prone to breakage. That's where keratin treatments and products come in, offering to restore and strengthen your strands. But is keratin worth the hype? Let's dive in. We all want silky, manageable hair, but achieving it isn't always easy. Environmental factors like heat styling, pollution, and chemical treatments strip keratin from the hair, leaving it frizzy and damaged. So how do you reap the benefits of keratin without breaking the bank or damaging your hair? That's where keratin-rich products and DIY solutions come into place. What is keratin and why does your hair need it? Keratin is the structural building block of hair. It smooths the cuticle, reduces frizz, and strengthens strands. When your hair is damaged, keratin helps repair and restore it to a healthier state. Benefits of keratin treatments and products. Frizz control. Keratin smooths the outer layer of the hair, taming flyaways and frizz. Stronger strands. It reinforces your hair structure, reducing breakage and split ends. Enhanced shine. Keratin fills in gaps in the hair cuticle, leaving your locks smoother and shinier. Manageability. Makes styling easier and cuts down on blow-drying time. How to use keratin for your hair. In the salon, professional keratin treatments involve applying a keratin-rich formula to the hair, sealing it with heat for long-lasting smoothness. While these may be effective, these treatments can be costly and may contain formaldehyde. To use at home, look for keratin-infused shampoos, conditioners, and hair masks. Use them weekly to replenish keratin levels. Pro tip: avoid sulfates in your products as they strip keratin from the hair. DIY keratin mask, which is a natural option. You can create a DIY keratin treatment at home using 1 egg, protein-rich base, 2 tablespoons of yogurt for hydration, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil for nourishment. Mix the ingredients, apply to your hair, and leave for 30 minutes before rinsing. Studies have shown that keratin treatments can significantly reduce frizz and improve hair strength. Many users also swear by the transformative effects of keratin-rich products. Personal testimonials highlight how keratin can turn dull, lifeless hair into smooth, glossy locks with just a few uses. However, it's essential to choose the right type of keratin for your hair type and needs. Whether you go for a salon treatment or at-home products, consistency is key to seeing results. In conclusion, keratin is more than just a hair care trend. It's a game changer for anyone dealing with frizz, breakage, or dullness. By restoring the natural protein in your hair, keratin strengthens, smooths, and adds shine, making it a must-try for your hair care routine. Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to share and like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more natural beauty tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you next time. We also want to say a big thank you to all our viewers for your endless support and wish everyone a prosperous and successful 2025.